Hey guys, and welcome to another awesome giveaway. Right here we have our latest winner. Now no matter what this winner chooses from the item shop, you guys can go ahead and sign up for whatever you would like, which does include the latest battle pass. So for those of you who don't have the battle pass, want to gift it to somebody, you could do it from the shop. So you will see that option up here, so whatever passes you guys don't have. However, if you already have the battle pass, you have to go into your passes tab. From here, you're gonna have to go into gift pass. And keep in mind, this is not using V-Bucks. You have to use money for this. V-Bucks is for everything else, basically, but Battle Pass, no. So we're going to click on his name. We're going to hold X. We are just going to confirm that purchase, and it's going to send it off right away. How long will this take? Well, sending the gift takes about 10 seconds. Him getting the gift, on the other hand, could take a few seconds just because we have to refresh Fortnite. So we're going to go back and take a look at my list. I can see that he owns this, so that's how I know he got it. And if we go all the way back, you can just wear any Battle Pass skin. So you have to change into it. Yeah, and every time you play, for now on, since you won today, this would be your giveaway skin. Well, any Battle Pass skin will be your giveaway skin. You have to wear it for the entire time that we're streaming giveaway day stream. And for any gameplay stream, on the other hand, you only have to wear it for 2 rounds. And then you can change it to whatever you like. Anyways, congrats for winning. And if you guys would like to sign up, make sure to follow these 3 simple steps.
Step number 1, go right into item shop right here on Fortnite. On the bottom right hand side, you're going to see support a creator. So you're just going to go right into there and type in tech and design. Now keep in mind, it can be all caps or it can be just like you see it right now. Click on done, accept. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. So just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin battle pass emote back bling. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. If you guys want the battle pass, if you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end, just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.